In this video, we are going to discuss about that one of the important question, how to find that slope of the common tangent to the given parabolas. I will tell you that one shortcut formula for this one. What is the shortcut of this value, this formula, this problem? Suppose the parabola equations are y square is equals to 4ax and x square is equals to 4 into by. So then equation of the common tangent will be a power 1 by 3 into x plus b power 1 by 3 into y plus a into b whole to the power of 2 by 3 is equals to 0. So according to this one, what are the given parabolas? Y square is equals to, this one is that 4x and x square is equals to minus 32 into y, minus 32 into y. By comparing this one with first equation, 4a is equals to 4, a is equals to 1, and this one is that 4b is equals to minus 32 and b is equals to, what is that value, minus 8. So here by using these two values, now you can write that what is the slope of the common tangent? Slope is equals to, according to the slope formula is that minus of x coefficient by y coefficient and then minus a to the power of 1 by 3 whole divided by this value is that b to the power of 1 by 3. This value will be equals to minus 1 whole to the power of 1 by 3 by minus 8 whole to the power of 1 by 3. So this value will be equals to minus 1 by minus 2. Minus 1 by minus 2. Minus and minus will be cancelled. The answer will be equals to 1 by 2. So what is the correct answer? D is the correct answer. Now by substituting a value and b value in this equation, you can also find that equation of the common tangent. See one more question in the same model. See here this one will be one more question. Here we have this value. See if the common tangent to the parabola is also tangent to this circle. See here is that one thing you have to see, y square is equals to, what is that equation, 4x, and next equation is that what, x square is equals to 4y. So comparing these two with the standard forms, a is equals to 1 and b is equals to 1. What is that equation of the common tangent? Equation of the common tangent to this one will be 1 whole to the power of 1 by 3 into x plus 1 whole to the power of 1 by 3 into y plus a into b, that is that 1 whole to the power of 2 by 3 is equals to 0. So that equation will be x plus y plus 1 is equals to 0. Question will be, whatever is the common tangent to both parabolas, that is also the touches the circle. You know, if any of the line will be touches the circle, if that this one is that a circle. So now if any of that line will be touches the circle, any of the line will be touches the circle, any of the line will be touches the circle, you know that will be r is equals to d. For example, you see here this one is a circle. If the line will be touches that circle, the line will be touches the circle, what is the condition? R is equals to d. So r is equals to radius, d is that perpendicular distance from center. What is the center of this circle? X square plus y square is equals to, this value will be c square. Then r is equals to, this value is at a c, and center is equals to, what is that center? Center will be equals to 0, 0. Now by using the formula r is equals to d, you can write that a c is equals to 1 modulus of 1 whole divided by root 2. That is equals to, what is that answer? 1 by root 2. Therefore c is equals to 1 by root 2. You know, perpendicular distance from origin. Perpendicular distance from origin to the line formula is that what? Modulus of c whole divided by root over a square plus b square. Okay, so by using this formula, you can find out this value. So I hope that everyone is clear. Your right answer will be, what is the correct option? B is the correct option. See, a common tangent to the parabolas y square is equals to 4x and x square is equals to 4y also touches the circle x square plus y square is equals to c square. Then c value will be equals to how much you got it? 1 by root 2. This is that 2020 mains question. We'll see that one more question in that same model. See, if the line is ax plus y is equals to c, touches that curves x square plus y square is equals to 1 and y square is equals to 4 root 2 into x, then modulus of c will be equals to what? This is the 2019 problem. Okay, so first you see that one. Here you understand the line ax plus y is equals to c is touches that circle and touches that parabola y square is equals to 4 root 2 into x. You see here y square is equals to 4 root 2 into x. This is the given equation. Now from this one we can write that 4a is equals to how much the value? 4 into root 2. Then what is that a value? A is equals to root 2. So you got it that a value. Now here one thing you understand, the line equation will be ax plus y is equals to c. This one we write that y is equals to mx plus c form minus a into x plus c minus a into x plus c. Here slope of that line is nothing but m, c is nothing but that y-intercept. We know if the line is the tangent to parabola y square is equals to 4ax, then c is equals to a by m. So here m is nothing but this value. A value will be equals to c is equals to a value will be nothing but root 2 whole divided by m is equals to what? Minus a. C is equals to minus c is equals to root 2 whole divided by minus a. This one you substitute in that one. Therefore, the line equation will be a into x. C value is that minus root 2 by a. Understand? Now, after this one, if you take that LCM, a square into x minus a into y minus root 2 is equals to 0. You know, any of that line is a tangent to the circle. We know just in the previous question I explained you r is equals to d. R is equals to d. What is the circle equation? X square plus y square is equals to 1 is the circle. You see what is the circle equation? X square plus y square is equals to 1 is the circle. Now apply that r is equals to d. R is equals to what is that value? 1 and center C is equals to what is that value? 0, 0. So D means perpendicular distance from center to the line. So here 1 is equals to this value is the modulus of minus root 2 whole divided by root over a to the power of 4 plus a square. So now you cross multiply and do the squaring. A to the power of 4 plus a square is equals to 2. This one is that you can write that a to the power of 4 plus a square minus 2 is equals to 0. This one we can resolve as the factors. See, this value you can write that a square plus 2 into a square minus 1 is equals to 0. So here a square plus 2 is equals to 0 or a square minus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore, a square is equals to what is that value? Minus 2 or 1. But a square value should not be the negative. So, minus 2 is the rejected and plus 1. Therefore, a square is equals to 1 means what is that a value? A is equals to plus or minus 1. Now, if you take that a is equals to plus 1, a is equals to plus 1. If you write that a is equals to plus 1, c value will be equals to what? Here you substitute that c is equals to root 2. A is equals to plus 1, c is equals to minus root 2. A is equals to minus 1, c is equals to that value will be plus root 2. And that means c value will be equals to plus or minus root 2. A value will be equals to plus or minus 1. Actually, in this question, we have to find out that modulus of c. C value will be equals to plus or minus root 2. Plus or minus means modulus. Modulus c is equals to how much? root 2. So your right answer will be modulus of C is equals to root 2. So right option is that what? B is the correct answer. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel.